100 decibels of neighbourhood dispute.
7 a.m. on a Sunday? Mate, can you please use this instead?
New Stanley Compressor, 50 litre tank, 210 litres per minute airflow, 2 motors and 2 outlets. This will do everything I want and I can hear myself think. Die grinder? Absolutely. Spray gun? No worries. Dental work? Well, it's quiet enough, but we wouldn't recommend it. It's everything you'd expect from a heavy-duty compressor, yet barely half as loud. The Stanley 50 litre silenced air compressor.
Can I have it back now?
Available from Supercheap Auto.